everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cut and tie blanket. So first we need fabric scissors, and then we need 2 pieces of fabric. It could be one solid color or it could be 2 colors, and it could be two patterns, whichever one you choose. Let's get started. First, you're going to put the solid color on the ground. And you want to make sure it's flatly on the ground. Next, you're going to want to put the design on top. You're going to make sure it's going to go right on top. So you're gonna want to match it up with its color. As you see, it didn't really line up perfectly. Now we're gonna trim the edges. You're gonna want to go straight up, not curved, not in the circle. You want to go straight up. After we're done cutting all 4 sides and they're even, now we're going to start cutting the ties. You want to make the bottom 1 inch and you want to go up until 2 inch. We cut 10 at a time and then we start to tie. Now that we've done 10, we're going to start to tie. You want to put it on top and then you want to stick your finger out like that. Then you want to get your blank color, solid color, and you want to twist it around, and then you gotta go in the hole and then tie it like that. It might go up, but that's okay. You want to tie it, and then you want to do the same thing, but the solid color on top. Then you want to twist the pattern on top in the circle around, then tie it like that. Then you want to keep doing the same thing of all 10 before you start cutting again. It might get hard at the corners, so you might need help, but that's okay. It's normal. As the corners pull, you need to do this, and then it will get straightened again. And that's how you make a cut and tie blanket. It's so cuddly.